Chase Briscoe took the pole for tonight's Camping World Truck Series season-ending and championship-deciding Ford EcoBoost 400 at Homestead-Miami Speedway. Briscoe was fastest with a speed of 167.499 miles per hour, followed by Ben Rhodes, 167.348 miles per hour, who will also sit on the front row when the green flag drops tonight. Three of the four championship Ford drivers didn't qualify as well as they might have liked. One did, however, as 19-year-old Austin Cindric qualified third, 166.831. Cindric and Briscoe are both competing in the final race for Brad Keselowski Racing, which is folding after this season. As for the other three championship Ford drivers, two-time truck champ Matt Crafton qualified 8th, 165. .614, defending series champ Johnny Sauter, 165.092, qualified 11th, and Christopher Bell, 165. .309, failed to advance past the first round of qualifying.He'll start tonight's championship race 13th. As for the rest of the top 12 qualifiers who are not running for the championship, Grant Enfinger was 4th, 166. .590, followed by Noah Gragson, 165.909, Ryan Truex, 165.848, and Justin Haley in 7th, 165. .705. Stewart Friesen qualified 9th, 165.431, Kaz Grala was 10th, 165.203, and Myatt Snider was 12th, 161. .575. The Ford EcoBoost 200 will take the green flag shortly after 8 p.m. at .The race will be televised on Fox Sports 1.